Hello everyone. Good morning from UK. I hope everyone is keeping well and safe. To those who don't know me and those who are new to my page, let me introduce myself first. I'm the owner of this business page. My name is Monisha. I'm an accountant by profession. I've got two small kids and now I'm also running this digital business. I help a lot of moms like myself and other people to start their own digital business. So today's topic, what I would like to discuss is why is it so important to have a plan B? So you all know that plan B is very important. Well, some of you may not know, but let me share you why is it so important. Because we all know that if your employer can hire you, he can easily replace you. That's correct. That might sound harsh, but that's the reality. And if you show even a small sign of weakness, you'll be easily replaced again. And with the current economic conditions, lots of people are losing their jobs or work. So even in that case, you're easily gonna lose your work. So but this all, and we all know that, before I say anything else, we all know that how badly it impacts our lives if we were to not have any work at all. Because if you are a family, if you've got a small family, then you've got to run your family, you've got to feed them, you've got to pay the bills, all extra expenses. And even if you are single, you still need to pay bills. If you're studying, you still need to pay for your education, and the list just goes on. Paying is the thing, expense never ends. So but why how would a plan B help you? If you got a plan B, then that even if you were replaced by an employer, even if you lose your work, you wouldn't need to worry, because you have something in like a plan B, which is also producing like a passive income for you and your family. So it's better to have something rather than nothing, isn't it? So that's why it's very important to have a plan B in our lives. And especially now, it's getting even more important. And also the whole world is moving to the digital world. Everything is online. If you think about shopping, buying your clothes, ordering food, you name it, literally everything is done over the internet. So why not make use of the same internet and make a living for yourself? So saying that, and I really like you guys to consider this and put this thing in your mind. So this is a great platform. So the business that I'm doing is very good. You don't need to start from scratch. You don't need to worry about building websites or everything or anything, because most of the heavy lifting is being done for you. And the system that we are providing you is the system that has been used by many successful business owners around the globe. And the trainings are also given. That's why you don't need any experience in order to start this business, because we provide the training. And these are all tried and tested system. And also, because this business is digital, i.e. online, you can manage your business from wherever you are. For example, you can manage your business while you are traveling, at home, or you're on holiday, as long as you've got access to good internet and you have your smartphone or your laptop. I normally manage my business from my smartphone, because I feel that this is portable and it's easy to carry around with me. So there you go. It's a very good opportunity. and it also provides you the flexibility. You can still be working full time, but then also, you know, you can have this business running in the background for you. So I would really encourage those people who'd like to, or who'd agrees with me, you know, with what I'm saying, to you know, start this business journey, because at the end of the day, you are not just helping yourself, but you're also helping your family, and also, you know, securing a good future for your kids. With that note, I'm just gonna you know, say goodbye to you guys. Have a lovely day, have a lovely week. I hope your week starts with lots of blessings, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.